This is the US General 26 by 22. I picked this one up for $280 and it's actually been really solid. So on the top we have Icon gold plated 3/8 drive, quarter drive ratchets. Got some crescent wrenches, the Husky thin wrenches. These are the Tecton flex head 6-point long wrenches here. We got some line wrenches, and in the back corner here we just have some ratchets I don't really use a whole lot anymore, just some spares. Here we just have a bunch of screwdrivers. This is your punches, chisels, scrapers, files, etc. Some pry bars here. In the files we got the half round, flat, round, square, you name it. It's all there. We got those. Bunch of pliers here. Here we have a pass-through socket set. We got some snips for cutting just straight, left or right. And then just picked up this precision screwdriver set from Weha. Hopefully that's everything I could possibly need. And there's just some random trim tools over here in the corner. Here we have things for measuring and torquing. Got the Tecton split beam, 20 to 100 foot-pounds. Got some calipers in here, dial caliper, some levels. I don't really use this torque wrench much anymore, it's more of just a spare. There it is. I prefer the split beam style now. Digital is fine too, but split beam works for me. It's easy to set up, no electronics or anything. It's accurate, it works. Here we just have a bunch of stuff for drilling and cutting. Saws, grinders, the blades, drill bits. So all that's in here. Then the bottom is just where I keep kind of like the heavier stuff. Pulley remover, fan clutch tool, spring compressor, ball joint puller, some wrecking bars, impact driver, all that kind of stuff. The bottom. Okay. And that's it for this one.